Welcome to Carlaw Park, home to almost 700 residents who are not school leavers, and it's self-catered accommodation, which just means that food isn't provided. Hi, I'm a current resident of Carlaw Park, and in this video, I plan to give you a rough idea about what living in Carlaw is like, flatmate requests, the differences between a non-catered hall and a catered hall, and I guess everything else that I think you might need to know. Let's just start off with location, and it's pretty much located at Parnell train station, which means for me, I have to walk to Grafton, which is about 15 to 20 minutes walk each day. If you're in city campus, it may take you 10-15 minutes, and if you're in OGGB, it may take you a bit shorter, maybe 5 minutes. Also, since we live next to Parnell train station, we can get cheap transport to the airport. If you know which bus and train to take, you can get to the airport for less than $4 if you're on the tertiary concession. So overall, the location is a bit far from Grafton. It's okay in terms of OGGB, but that's something to bear in mind. At Carlaw, we have a games room, a communal kitchen, a basketball court, a car park which you have to pay extra for, a music room, and washing machines. Washing machines, you have to pay $2 each time you want to use a washing machine, and an additional $2 each time you want to use a dryer. I would prefer it if they just charged us $2 extra for rent and gave us unlimited use of the washing machines. Personally, I don't really use a dryer. I air dry my clothes, so I don't have to spend an additional $4 each week. I just pay $2 for the washing. In terms of the apartment and rooms, usually it's either a 3 or 4 person apartment. Sometimes you can get a different style of apartment if you're a family. And yeah, there are families in Carlaw, which means you may see the occasional young child running around, which is pretty cool and something you probably won't see in a first year hall. In terms of the flat or apartment, whatever you want to call it, it's very nice. It's quite spacious, there's plenty of storage, the kitchen is good enough for us, the toilets are nice, the rooms are spacious, there are a lot of plugs, so I quite like it. There is a aircon in every apartment and a heater in every room. In terms of vacuuming and cleaning, we do this ourselves. We borrow the vacuum from the reception and we buy our own cleaning products to, wipe down surfaces and clean the toilet and all that. So the flat comes with pretty much everything you need to survive. However, I did bring some other stuff along with me. So I'd just like to briefly touch on all the things I brought. A dish rack, this thing to dry cutlery, cleaning products, lots of shoes, a hairdryer, utensils such as a peeler, a steamer, a toasted sandwich maker, a blender, as well as a rice cooker. Lots and lots of snacks. Some cleaning products, an iron as well as tissues, $2 coins for laundry as well as some cleaning products for laundry, these snapper things which allow you to keep your snacks fresh, bed sheets and a pillow. The bed is size king single, a multi-plug comes in handy, books, a clothes rack, a lamp, headphones, stationery, push pins that allow you to hang stuff up, as well as a laundry basket which is collapsible. With Carlaw, it seems like it's pretty expensive on paper, and there are definitely cheaper options out there. However, with Carlaw and every other uni accommodation, we get free gym membership, so that for me is a big plus. And we have the opportunity to pay for only the academic year instead of the entire year, so that saves a bit. And we don't have to worry about paying additional bills for electricity and power. It's just one bill for everything, and then you can use as much electricity as you want. because of the convenience of only having to pay for one bill, not worrying about multiple bills, and also that gym membership is included. For me, it seems pretty convenient and I'm willing to pay a little bit more for that convenience and gym membership. But one of the nicest things about Carlaw for me is the community. A lot of my friends live here, so it's quite nice to see familiar faces. It's nice to walk to uni together sometimes, especially like early morning walks to Grafton through the domain. It's just nice to have study sessions, and yeah, seeing friends around is pretty nice in Carlaw. So overall, that's Carlaw. If you have any questions, feel free to hit me up on Instagram or leave a comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.